Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you've all had an amazing week. This week's video is a really short one. Well, I think it's about 8 minutes. The reason being is I've been messing around with the camera settings and I felt that the previous couple of videos weren't as good quality as what they should be. So I've been messing around with the camera. We've improved a few settings. I still need to work on a bit of lighting because I've got a few dark spots that I need to work on, but bear with me, they are in hand and I'm waiting for some bits to come to modify that. So anyway, this week's video, as you can see, is just a small little oak blank I had. It was an offcut I had from a job I've been doing, and I decided to make a little bowl, and the only reason I've done the little bowl is to try the video settings. So it's nothing major, it's a little oak bowl for about 5 inches across, about 60mm deep, and as you will see at the end I gave it a little bit of a twist. So stay tuned and watch. So anyway guys, have a great weekend, take care, speak to you soon, and bye for now. Oh, and please let me know if the video quality is better. Take care. vice mark off, or masking tape off, so you don't get the gold leaf or the gold gild all over the piece. So now I've got to try and remove it.